Hey everyone, I'm Shubham, CEO and founder of Sastam Software, ex Salesforce IC Partner Account Manager. Do you know exporting and downloading thousands of PDFs, Excel, Word is very easy and hassle free by using the Files Downloader application. So, this is the Files Downloader app, and select what would you like to download is the first option that you'll get, which is Files and Attachment. After this, I'm just taking an account, which is Search an Object. I'm taking an account and download account filter and attachments via. I'm taking a file within list view of account. After hitting the search, you can see all the files with the record name, their size and types, last modified date. You can see in this data table. So this is an option where you can filter it. So if you need specific extension of file, you can also see it and download it. For the demo, I'm just taking PDF for now. Yeah. So after clicking the PDF, you can see with each of these demo Burlington and Blue Sky, either I can select all the files in one go or I can multi-select top 4 5. So I'm just taking top 5 for now. Now, as you can see, these selected record are showing me 5. So now I'm hitting the download button. So download has initiated. Yep. So now it is downloaded. So as you can see, after opening this zip file, so in the Acme we have one PDF, in the Blue Sky we have another PDF, Burlington has another PDF, North Star Holding and Silver Line also have another PDF. And this is a file mapping you will get, their type, their ID, their title of each of the file, their parent ID, parent name is the account name, the file path, owner ID, owner name, create date, last modified, content document ID. Perfect. So this is the way you can download any extension of file, whether it's a PDF, PNG, PDF, Word file. Remember, whatever it's there in your Salesforce, it will populate here on the filter section. If you have any questions for us, feel free to share and reach out to us. Thank you again for watching this video.